what's going on, Dub Chasers? Today, it's just me and Vince, and we are finally installing European taillights. European Golf R taillights, I should say, or just Golf R taillights on the Mk6. So these are the depot replicas because they were only $300 on opdparts.com versus $800 for the OEM. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into installing. Should be pretty easy. So for those that don't know, or European residents, I guess, this is what the stock North American taillights look like on the Mk6. They're kind of just two circle halogen bulbs. Yeah, not really interesting. Let's see here. Okay, Dad. Got it.
This is overdone.
It's a big extender. So right now we're taking out the little guys that are on the hatch, and then we'll get to the bigger portion.
Just on a little. There we go. Oof.
Just like that, little boy's out. So just as a quick update, we got the two small boys out of the GTI. Now working on getting the big boys out. Kind of got to pry behind here. I can show on this side. Got to basically get behind this carpet liner to get at the back of the big boys.
Big pain in the bahoot.
Alright, got all of the old boo-boo taillights out. Now we're putting in the meaty boys. But first we got to hook up these, what are these?
For the LED resistors.
Got it. Alright, and about, what was that, about 35 minutes?
Something like that.
Probably. Got them installed. It wasn't too bad. These kind of inner ones took a little bit of finagling with getting them on to fit right. And then these outer ones, you have to screw in this plastic screw, and it can be kind of hard to find the threading for it. But other than that, it's pretty easy. They look amazing. No problems in the peel. Ooh, the next one.
If I can grab it. Ooh.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, I think they're definitely worth it for $300. Definitely worth it.
Jeez.
What do you have to say, mechanic?
I like them. They look good. And for $300 compared to what, the $800
The OEM is $800. Yeah.
And they fit.
They fit.
They
yeah.
fit really nice.
The body, like, kind of gaps is.
It's not too bad.
I mean, it's definitely noticeable, like, especially right here. But like, down here,
on this side,
along the rear quarter panel.
This side's a little bit better. There's a little bit less gap compared to the.
Oh
the
yeah,
left
definitely.
Side, I mean, like the side gap and the bottom gap.
Yeah,
fit
this
really
is
well.
on both sides right here. Really nice. But yeah, you're really not gonna notice that when you're driving, obviously. Yeah. And I think that is it for this video. So till next time.
I don't know.
I guess you can subscribe if you want to see more GTI content. What's the next mod for the Mk7?
God. Probably we're doing oil change and going steel oil pan, and then actual modification. Maybe catback, maybe springs. I don't know.
Oh yeah, so we're going to Grid Life this year, and so we both kind of have lists of things we want to do to our cars before then. So hopefully for the Mk6, we're going to be getting a full turbo back and then lowering springs. And then Vince, what was yours? Catback,
Yeah, all I need
springs,
is a catback and springs, and then maybe exterior modifications.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Once again, definitely recommend these lights. I will put the link to where I got them in the description, and we'll see you guys in the next install video.
Later.